Hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. So this is the chart of the Nifty, and this is the chart of the Nifty on the Friday that we are going to analyze. Right, this will be the analysis for the next coming week, that is starting from the Monday. Right, so this phrase new month week, although we have started a new week as term to the stock market, especially for the market session. Right, as this is the Friday, the new expiry day, the first day of the new expiry week. Well, so if you see the market today, how it has reacted. This is a chart of the Nifty, right? So this is nearly is closing near to the. This is the highest, second highest closing of the Nifty chart here, which had closed earlier, right? That was elsewhere. Here we can see 15,869, and today we have closed 15,860. So very close to that. So what we are going to see on Monday, what we are very likely to see the market to head towards, right? Let me show you some of these strategy here so you can find it out. So I'm looking the market on the heading opening of the gap up, and that may not make this very balanced mode, but next week only, in next 2 to 3 days of like sessions, we're going to see the Nifty especially more than 400 points above from here. That means you can see even Nifty 16,150 to 200 we can see in the Nifty, right? How we are able to see, and we need to understand how the chart has reacted here, right? So in order to understand that, we'll look at the chart in the short period of time, so that we need to understand the 5 days chart in the 15 minutes time frame. So this is the 15 minutes time frame, and whenever it makes this sort of like a move, swing move, either of the side, there is a lot of chance that the next day we are going to open in the same direction. So if you look at the direction here, this is the upward channel, right? Just a minute, it is the upward channel only. So I will not look at the Nifty falling below this, rather I will be seeing the market to take support here again. These are the points. This will be the best support for the Nifty for coming on Monday, right? So whenever market is coming near to these places, that is 15,830, 50, this will be the best buying zone for you. Any candle that shows you the bullish, you can add your position over here, but I would think now from here we can go long in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Definitely let me analyze the Bank Nifty as well, right? Because Bank Nifty has tremendously has done very good today. If you look at the chart of this Bank Nifty, it's like really making a very bullish run on the upper side. So we'll find out where it is going to take the support for the coming Monday, right? So yeah, unless and until this Bank Nifty is above here, whenever it is coming closer to these places again, this will be good, like a demand zone for the Bank Nifty as well. So that is coming 35,200 and 300, right? That is the initial one, but the another point, this will be the best buying zone for you whenever it is nearing to this place. Remember, just a minute. Yeah, this is the best buying supply, demand zone. So about this we can go again in the Bank Nifty as well long, so that Bank Nifty is likely to see and touch the 36,200 and 300, and that easily it is going to make the move on the upper side. So I'm overall bullish in the market, especially for the coming week. And as we have already seen, the open interest in the 16,000, that has not been so strong, so that easily we can break that out and we can make very balanced move on the upper side. That is what we are likely to see in the Nifty. And banking, to remember, for the so many time and so many days week, it has really underperformed. So now it is the time that is coming usually to make move upper side. In order to understand that, let us go in the daily chart of the Bank Nifty, right? If you look at that, how this channel, I have already made the channel breakout has given perfect. So again, first hurdle will be here 36,500 and all that, but above this, if trades, we're definitely going to see the new high in the Bank Nifty. So first hurdle will be here, and that is my target 36,500. That will be, but that may come next week, is not possible, very sure, but definitely in 10 trading days we are definitely going to see this Bank Nifty to this level as well, right? So guys, this is a little update in the what is called overview and understanding of the Nifty and the Bank Nifty for the next week, but we'll see this detail